Hi! Kumusta? Welcome sa Untitled, ang safe space kung saan pwede kang makinig, magpahinga at baka makahanap ng konting comfort sa gitna ng araw-araw. Ako si Clover, and I'm really glad na nandito ka ulit. At kung first time mo naman dito, welcome sa'yo. Sana dito ka makahanap ng space kung saan pwede kang huminga kahit sandali. Alam mo, ngayon, gusto lang kitang kausapin ng diretso. Walang filter, walang pa-deep talk. Yung totoo lang. Kasi lately, ang daming tao na bigla na lang tumatahimik. Yun pala, nasasaktan na sila. May silent battle. So, let's talk about that. Maybe these days, mas tahimik ka, mas withdrawn, mas okay lang kahit hindi naman talaga okay. Yung tipong may sakit ka pero wala kang sinasabihan. May pinagdadaanan kang problema pero nilalabanan mo mag-isa. May lungkot ka pero pinipili mong itago ito kasi ayaw mong maging pabigat sa iba. And somewhere deep inside, you feel almost invisible. Parang kahit sumigaw ka, walang makakarinig. Parang kahit mag-breakdown ka, walang makakapansin. Parang kahit mawala ka sandali, baka walang magtatanong kung nasan ka. But here's the thing you keep forgetting. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Hindi ka kailanman nag-iisa. Alam mo, normal mapagod. Normal mawala sa focus. Normal maramdaman yung bigat na hindi mo na ma-explain. Pero ang delikado, yung nasasanay ka sa lungkot. Yung tahimik na yung sakit pero nandyan pa rin. Parang background noise na hindi na nawawala. Parang sa Kahel na Langit ni Maki. Yung line na naghihintay sa'yo kahit di mo man pansin. Ganyan yung bigat minsan, no? Nasa likod mo lang. Tahimik pero lagi mong kasama. Pero gusto kong tandaan mo to. Kahit gaano kabigat, hindi mo kailangan buhatin mag-isa. Kung right now, feeling mo walang nakakakita sa'yo, well, I see you. Kung feeling mo walang nakakaramdam ng pagod mo, I feel you. Kung feeling mo wala kang space para huminga, you have one here. Hindi mo kailangan maging malakas everyday. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap na kaya mo lahat. Hindi mo kailangan itago ang sakit dahil ayaw mo maging problem. The truth, the people who genuinely love you don't think you're a burden. Not even once, not even close. And this podcast, this space, is here to sit beside you, not above you, to remind you that even in your quiet hurting, you are never alone. Gusto kong pakinggan mo to ng buo. Your pain is valid. Your silence is heard. And your presence matters more than you think. Hindi mo kailangan maging strong para maramdaman na worth it ka mahalin. Hindi mo kailangan i-fake ang resilience. Hindi mo kailangan mag-smile para lang tanggapin ka. You deserve support even on your worst days. You deserve rest even when you're not productive. You deserve care even when you don't know how to ask for it. And if no one has told you this today, I'm so proud of you for surviving days that were heavier than you admitted. So kung may part sa'yo na pagod na, gusto lang kita i-remind that you are not invisible. You are not alone. You are not too much. And you are not a burden. Even if the world feels like big, cold, or quiet, there will always be places like this podcast, where you are held, seen, and understood. You don't have to go through this quietly. Okay? You don't have to go through this alone. And you don't have to hide your hurting just to feel loved. So, let me ask you something. Kanino ka natatakot mag-open up? At bakit kailangan mong tiisin yung mga bigat ng mag-isa? Isang perasong katotohanan mula sa akin. Healing becomes lighter when shared. And pain becomes softer when spoken. Ako si Clover. And here's my gentle reminder. You are not invisible. Your quiet hurting matters. And you deserve support. Not someday, but today. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Untitled, ingat ka palagi and please, 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 don't carry your storm alone. You're worth staying for.